We know that this is the formula in converting temperature from degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. And from that, we know that 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. But at what temperature where degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius are numerically equal? And that will be our trivia for today. Please like, share, and follow our Facebook page, Nerds Philippines, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Nerds Philippines, and click on the bell button to be notified for updates. Okay, so this is ang formula na ginagamit natin in converting from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Well, ang gusto nating makuha ngayon, anong temperature kung saan ang ating degree Fahrenheit will be numerically equal sa ating degree Celsius. So from this equation natin, or sometimes this is written as, we're going to substitute this, no? Kasi they are numerically equal. So we have, and then doing some transposition, we will have, so we will subtract yung ating like terms. And then we have to isolate itong ating variable by dividing both sides by negative 0.8. This will be cancelled out, and then we'll have negative 40. So that means at negative 40 degree Fahrenheit, we will have negative 40 degree Celsius. And this is our final answer sa question natin ngayon. Para sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa Nerds Philippines, we are currently working on an online learning program for chemistry, mathematics, and physics. Meron ding mga free courses or subjects na pwede nyo subukan. Although right now this is work on progress, you can still try yung mga available subjects na sa site. Just follow the link that we provided and be one of our early online students.